Hello guys, today I am washing my towels. This machine I have had I guess 3 or 4 years, and I didn't review it because there are some cons to this machine, so I didn't review it. Maybe at a later date. This is one of many that I have. You always have to have yourself, especially if you live in the city like I do, you have to have yourself a spare. So it's very roomy. Alright. Funny thing, y'all, and this is going to sound crazy, I found an old machine that I had many years ago when I moved, before I moved in here, and I packed it away and I thought I had gotten rid of it, and I didn't, and I still have it, so I may show that to y'all at one point also. I had to get new hose fittings and stuff to it, but it still works. So I'm going to put the water in here. Let me get my little ghetto set up together and put water in here, and for me to start. I will be washing with body wash today. This is for just in case you run out your regular stuff and this is all you have on hand. You can use this. We're going to see how it turns out. Okay. So let me get everything together and I will be back. So this machine fits 11 pounds on a wash, and on the spin dry, I think it's 6 pounds. So this is not a review of this machine, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to take this body wash and I'm going to put 2 good squeezes in there. Actually, I'll put 3. This is from Dollar Tree. You can use any kind you want, whatever you have on hand, use it. Water a little bit warmer. You're not supposed to put real hot water in this. It's like lukewarm water. So I'm going to start loading up. And this one I'm going to turn it on. Lounging dress. So it's pretty good suds in there. You see how it slowed down? That means I'm putting no more in there. More clothes. So this goes for 15 minutes. I'm going to do 15 minutes more. It's going to be a total of 30 minutes. I'll show you what everything looks like. Okay, so I'll be back when it's time to rinse and spin. So my other camera went out and I got to finish with this one. And so I'm not going to show you how clean. Just the water's dripping or anything. You see that? It's good. And then I'll show y'all how clean these things came out, or whether they still have stains in them. Just spin out this. See what goes here. My mask. Put this down and I do the same thing like I did before. I could rinse on this side like my other machine, my favorite Auauna. But you could also save this water for another wash if you wanted to. So that's a good thing. As I mentioned before, you let them rinse, you let it steam with the water on, and then after a while you turn the water off. Like I'm doing right now. Turn the water off, you can hear it quieting down a little bit. Hear that? So this is a real good feature. This is the Giantex Costway, 17 pounds. So I will be back with the finished result. So I'm waiting for the other ones to come out. They came pretty clean. Like I said, just put one squeeze of that body wash if that's what you're going to use. That's my towel. It's very clean too. So I don't run out of laundry detergent. I was just doing this as an experiment. But this goes to show if you have anything, you know, whatever you have on hand, just use it if you run out. Clothes also smell real fresh. They have a real good smell to them. I didn't put no fabric softener because I just wanted to get the real freshness of that body wash. But let me take my other things out now. So I have, this is how clean it is. It's very clean. Everything is clean. There's my mask. Everything's so bright. I have underwear and stuff that I'm not showing on camera. I have a lot of those. So if you're interested in that machine, I think I might put a link there, but there are some cons. I may do a full review, But like I said, I had it for a long time, and my smaller one I actually like better. But the great feature of this one is that you can rinse while it's right in the basket there to spin, so that's good. So the pros of using that Giantex Costway machine is that it has a lot more room than my other machine. But if you, it has a lot more room. The clothes come out smelling real clean and fresh. And then the addition of the rinse features is great. Cons, the spin doesn't spin as well as in the smaller machine that I have. It spins out all the water, but I feel that the other machine spins out a lot more. And your clothes don't take that long. I hang my stuff up to dry. Sometimes I use the dryer. And it's noisy. If you're trying to bring a machine in and you're not supposed to have one, it is noisy. You could hear the spin. You could hear when it was washing. And it's bulky. It's pretty bulky. But it could fit inside your tub. That's a good thing. And you could also pour water in, you know, just like all the rest of them. You don't have to have plumbing hookup. But I noticed that it is a lot more noisy than the other one. So that is the end of this video with me trying the body wash to wash my clothes, and I love the way they turned out. Next time I'll put a lot less soap in there. But everything looks good and it smells good. So I will talk to you guys later. I love y'all. Bye.